Welcome to Relax Gardens, your escape into the calm and creative world of garden design. In this video, we'll explore dreamy garden style ideas, carefully chosen to inspire your balcony, patio, backyard, or any cozy outdoor corner you love. Whether you enjoy the sound of flowing water, the glow of soft garden lights, or the joy of a tiny vertical garden, there's something beautiful here just for you. If you find peace in greenery and joy in design, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your favorite idea in the comments below. Let's begin your journey into inspiration and nature. Every garden, no matter how small, holds the power to transform space and spirit. In this collection, you'll discover cozy nooks filled with soft cushions and overflowing pots, perfect for morning coffee or quiet evening reflection. You'll see patios brought to life with wooden textures, layered planters, and thoughtfully placed decor that make the space feel like a natural extension of your home. Some gardens celebrate symmetry and structure, while others embrace wild beauty. Vines trailing over walls, flower beds arranged like artwork, and stones placed with care. Fountains and water bowls whisper in the background, creating a peaceful rhythm among the leaves. These simple water features bring not just beauty, but movement and sound that soothe the soul. There are tiny balconies transformed with vertical planters and hanging baskets, maximizing space while filling the air with color and fragrance. Some gardens glow at night, with warm fairy lights, lanterns, or hidden lighting that turns the outdoors into a magical evening retreat. Whether minimalist or lush, tropical or rustic, each design in this video is a reminder that your outdoor space is not just for plants, but for peace, expression, and a little joy each day. Take a breath, enjoy each scene, and let the ideas gently guide your imagination. You don't need a large space or a big budget. Just intention, inspiration, and a touch of green. Thank you for spending these few peaceful minutes with us. We hope these dreamy garden style ideas brought you a little beauty and calm today. If you enjoyed the journey, please consider subscribing for more relaxing garden inspiration, liking the video to support the channel, and sharing your favorite design in the comments. Until next time, stay grounded, stay creative, and keep growing. Herb.